There are sounds so powerful that they can manipulate your mind, change your emotions, and even alter reality itself. Some of these are used in secret military research, others are banned in certain places, and a few are hidden in everyday life. You'll never hear sound the same way again after this video. Stay until the end, because number one is something you've already heard, but never realized its true power. 10. The sound that can drive you insane. There is a frequency known as the ghost frequency, 18.98 Hz. It's so low that your ears can't consciously hear it, but your brain does. Scientists discovered that it can cause hallucinations, anxiety, and even make you feel like someone is watching you. This frequency has been found in haunted locations, leading some to believe ghosts might just be sounds we can't hear. 9. Music that can heal the body. Some ancient cultures believed certain sounds could heal illnesses, and modern science is proving them right. Studies show that 528 Hz, known as the love frequency, can actually repair DNA. Imagine healing yourself just by listening to the right sound. 8. The banned sound that causes fear. There's a sound so terrifying that it has been banned in some countries. It's called the brown note, a frequency that allegedly causes uncontrollable fear and physical reactions. Governments have experimented with it as a weapon. What if certain horror movies secretly use it to scare you? 7. How advertisers use sound to control you. Ever notice how some jingles get stuck in your head for days? That's no accident. Companies use carefully crafted sound waves to make their products unforgettable. Some even use subliminal audio messages that make you crave their products without realizing why. 6. The sounds that can put you in a trance. Have you ever zoned out while listening to a song? That's because some rhythms mimic brainwave frequencies, putting you in a trance-like state. Ancient civilizations used drumming rituals to connect with spirits, and modern musicians unknowingly do the same to keep you hooked. 5. The military's secret sonic weapons. Governments have developed sound weapons that can make people sick, dizzy, or even lose consciousness. These weapons don't leave a trace and can be used for crowd control. Some believe certain cities secretly use them to keep crime rates down. 4. The hidden power of reverse audio. Some songs contain hidden messages when played in reverse. This technique, called backmasking, has been used in music for decades, sometimes as a joke, but other times with disturbing messages. Could your favorite song have a hidden meaning you've never noticed? 3. The ancient sound that can make you feel high. Monks have used a specific deep-tone chanting method for centuries that induces a state of euphoria. Modern researchers found that these frequencies can activate the brain's pleasure centers, creating a natural high. Could this be the real secret behind the meditation? 2. Sounds that can trigger past lives. Certain sounds can cause deep emotional reactions, even if you've never heard them before. Some people believe this is because these sounds connect to memories from past lives. Have you ever heard a song or a voice and felt like you've known it forever? 1. The most dangerous sound you've already heard. There's a sound that almost everyone has heard, but few know its true power. It's the emergency alert siren. This sound is designed to activate the most primal part of your brain, triggering instant panic, adrenaline, and fear. But what if this sound is being used for more than just warnings? Which of these shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden knowledge that will change the way you see the world.